Hello, this is a CCN reporter live from our studio in Cheniasco. We have reports that a very bad storm is headed our way, and we consider all potential threats as threats. So this is possibly the last CCN studio broadcast before things get rough here. Our studio may get destroyed. In that case, we would rebuild our studio, and Chenian workers would rebuild the damaged areas if a storm were to strike Chenia. We will now show footage of Chenian military vehicles' severe storm protocol.
Warning! There is going to be a storm that is supposed to impact these areas' counties here. All of Chenia. This is not a test. This is not a drill. We recommend you shelter in place if you're inside. If you're outside, seek shelter in one of our Chenian shelters if you're not close to home. A storm is threatening Chenia. Prepare and expect the worst. A message in Cherkivin follows. Pripyat. Vir is govnaya vek avzorvia. Taya is rupozia jeru v paket diva. Arias kouskas harvko. Aljakoviki Chenia. Visia is niata v teko. Visia is najata v drilva. Fierekovenko ju. Helisovo plaskia i vjuri vozina. I vjurios zina. Cikas helisovo ovna ovkoria Chenian helisov za vjuri niac lojza jeru siblak. A vzhorvia is omes prianak Chenia. Frevaria anja SVK voriat.